Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Adult English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a biology class for class 9 student on the based on creative question and answer which is belongs to chapter 3. So let us move forward to this topic. We will first discuss the exercise creative question. This is to figure as stem. This is stage A and this is stage B, and this stage A shows the prophase stage of the mitosis cell division and this is the telophase stage of the mitosis cell division. And question A is, where does mitosis occurs? Question B is, write in detail why meiosis is called reductional division. Question C is, in stage B, what change occur? Explain. Question D is, analyze what problem may emerge if the process expressed in the figure above is not accomplished properly. Dear students, first question answer you will get in page number 50. Second question answer you will get in page number 57. And this question answer you will get in page number 53. Come to the answer. Mitosis occurs in somatic cell of eukaryotic organism. The process usually takes place in the body cell of animals and in the meristems of plant part growing such as tip of stems or roots, plumule and radicle, developing leaves, buds, etc. This kind of cell division also occurs in lower plant and animals during asexual reproduction. Now come to question number B. Question number B is, write in detail why meiosis is called reductional division. The answer is, through meiosis cell division, four daughter cells are produced from an eukaryotic cell. The nucleus divides twice and the chromosome divides once in this process, and the number of chromosomes become half in the daughter cells from that of the mother cell. As the number of chromosomes decreases, this process of cell division is called reductional division. Question C is your homework. That come to the introductory line, you have to write like this. Stage B in the above figure in the telophase stage is the telophase stage of mitosis cell division. Then you have to write the total telophase stage which is given in your textbook page number 53. It will be better for you if you write as point by following the textbook. Now to the question D. Analyze what problems may emerge if the process expressed in the following figure above is not accomplished properly. Come to the answer. At the last phase of the telophase, a cell wall gradually develops along the equatorial zone, and as a result, two daughter cells are formed by the division of the mother cell. Above shown process is mitosis cell division. The significance of mitosis in the living organism is immense. The balance in between the nucleus and cytoplasm of a cell in terms of volume and amount is attained by the process of cell division mitosis. Different problems may emerge of if mitosis process does not accomplish properly. These problems are discussed below. First one, the number of cells within an organism increased by mitosis. This is the basis of the development of a multicellular body. So if mitosis process does not work properly, body formation and development will be hindered. Now come to second one. By this division, the number of and the properties of a chromosome in each cell of multicellular body remains constant. The balance of chromosome will be hampered if any kind of disturbance occurs in above mentioned process. Come to next one. By producing new cell, this process repairs the various types of damage of multicellular organisms. Therefore, healing of injuries will be hampered if above shown process cannot accomplished properly. Come to next one. By mitosis division, the definite shape and size of the cell remains constant. This balance will be damaged if mitosis cannot function properly. Come to last point. Mitosis plays an important role in the vegetative reproduction of organism and increasing the number of reproductive cells. Now come to the extra creative question. The most important phenomenon in living creature is production of offspring. There are vegetative, asexual and sexual ways to do so. Cell division is essential to all form of life, whether it is unicellular or multicellular, for their growth and regeneration. A special type of cell division is responsible to maintain the chromosome number of a species constant generation after generation. First question, what is somatic cell? Second question, all traction fiber are spindle fiber, but all spindle fiber are not traction fiber. Describe it. The question C is, how the division mentioned in the stem differ from the equational division. Question D is, in absence of special type of cell division mentioned in the stem, what would be fate of organism? Dear students, first one is, what is somatic cell division? And then answer is, the cell that forms the bodies of multicellular organism are called somatic cells. Question B is, all traction fiber are spindle fibers, but all spindle fibers are not traction fiber. Describe it. Come to answer of B. During prometaphase of mitosis cell division, some spindle fibers form a spindle apparatus. The chromosome gets attached to a few spindle fibers by using centromere. These fibers are then called traction fiber, but there are some spindle fibers that are not attached to chromosomes, so they are not traction fiber. Therefore, all traction fiber are spindle fiber, but all spindle fibers are not traction fibers. Question C was, we have to make a differentiate table with this mentioned cell division and equational division. Mentioned cell division is the meiosis cell division, which maintain the chromosome number of a species constant generation after generation, and equational division is the mitosis cell division. So we have to mention the difference between mitosis and meiosis. The division mentioned in the stem is meiosis or reductional division, and mitosis cell division is the difference between mitosis and meiosis cell division are given below. The traits on behalf of this, we will give the differences of mitosis and meiosis. First one, type of reproduction. The mitosis is asexual, that means in asexual reproduction mitosis cell division occurs, and meiosis is sexual, that means for sexual reproduction meiosis cell division occurs. Genetic similarity, the genetic similarity of daughter cell and mother cell are similar, and genetic similarity of in the meiosis of mother cell and daughter cell is different. Then come to next one, number of division. In the mitosis there is only one division, and in the meiosis there is two division. There is two division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Come to next one, mother cell. That it can be haploid or diploid. In the mitosis, mother cell can be haploid or diploid. Now in the meiosis, always diploid. Mother cell always diploid. Now come to the next point, the number of daughter cell produced. In the mitosis, 2 diploid daughter cell produced, and in the meiosis 4 haploid daughter cell produced. Come to the next point, chromosome number. In the mitosis, the chromosome number remain the same, and in the meiosis, chromosome number reduced by half. In the next point, takes place in mitosis takes place in somatic cells, and meiosis takes place in reproductive mother cell. Now come to next point, crossing over. Then in mitosis, crossing over do not occur. In meiosis, mixing of chromosome or crossing over occurs, and it is too much important criteria of meiosis. Now come to the last one, function. Cellular reproduction, that means asexual reproduction or vegetative reproduction, general growth and repair of body, and genetic diversity through sexual reproduction is the function of meiosis. And this is the homework also. This is homework number 13. You have to do the CQ1C and CQ2 extra CQ1D. You will get the answer in page number 52 and 59, 58 to 59. There is written so nicely. Then what will be occurs in the absence of meiosis cell division, what would be fate of the organism if there will be no meiosis cell division. And in the book up from page number, sorry, it will be from page number 57 to 59. From 57 to 59 there is written so nicely. You have to conclude it and you have to write it as the question answer D. And dear students, this is your homework number 13, CQ1C and extra CQ1D you have to do as your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.